Chapter 10 मीठी सारंगी. मीठी सारंगी. Sarangi is a musical instrument, just like a violin. It is a string instrument and it is played using bow. Meethi meaning sweet. So a sweet sarangi or a sarangi which gives sweet music. एक गांव में एक सारंगी वाला आया. सारंगी वाला meaning sarangi player. गांव is village. So to a village came a sarangi player. वह सारंगी बहुत अच्छी बजाता था. बजाना meaning to play. बहुत अच्छी meaning really well. So he played the sarangi really good. रात में जब उसने सारंगी बजाना शुरू किया. रात meaning night. So at night when he started playing the sarangi. शुरू करना meaning to start. तब गांव के बहुत से लोग इकट्ठे हो गए. बहुत से लोग meaning a number of people or a crowd. इकट्ठा होना meaning to get together or to gather. So when the sarangi player started playing the sarangi at night, a lot of people gathered around him. सारंगी की मीठी आवाज़ और सारंगी वाले के बजाने की कला से गांव के लोग दंग रह गए. मीठी आवाज़ meaning sweet voice. In this case, sweet music. सारंगी वाले के बजाने की कला. बजाने की कला meaning the skill or the craft of the player in playing the instrument. Because of these two things, because of the sweet music coming out of the sarangi and the sarangi player's skill in playing the instrument, गांव के लोग दंग रह गए. गांव के लोग meaning villages. दंग रहना meaning to be stunned. These people were surprised or stunned at the music coming out of the sarangi. सब लोग कहने लगे. They started saying, कैसी मीठी सारंगी है. What a sweet sarangi. The people were referring to the sweet music coming out of the sarangi. हाँ, कितना आनंद आ रहा है. Anand meaning joy. And the people were saying how joyful this music is. वहीं पास में बैठा हुआ भोला भी लोगों की ये बातें सुन रहा था. पास में meaning near. बैठा हुआ meaning seated. So भोला was sitting near to these people. What was he doing? लोगों की ये बातें सुन रहा था. सुनना meaning to hear. So he heard what the people around him were talking about. बातें meaning conversations or the talk. वह मन ही मन कहने लगा. मन ही मन meaning in his mind or to himself. भोला said to himself, इन लोगों को सारंगी बहुत मीठी लगी. So to all these people, the sarangi was very sweet. लेकिन मेरा तो मुंह मीठा हुआ ही नहीं. मुंह meaning mouth. So Bhola was saying to himself, all these people felt the sarangi to be sweet, but my mouth isn't sweet. मुंह मीठा हुआ ही नहीं. ये सब झूठे हैं. झूठे meaning lies. These are all lies. The people were actually referring to the sweet voice or music of the sarangi, but Bhola thought they were talking about some kind of sweetness they felt in their mouth, and he was thinking, but my mouth isn't sweet at all after listening to the sarangi, and these people must be liars. थोड़ी देर बाद उसने सोचा कि शायद सारंगी वाले के पास बैठने से मुंह मीठा हो जाए. So Bhola was really confused about what people were saying. थोड़ी देर बाद meaning after some time. सोचा meaning thought. Shayad meaning perhaps. So after some time he thought, perhaps if I go and sit near the sarangi player, सारंगी वाले के पास बैठने से मुंह मीठा हो जाए. My mouth will also be sweet if I go and sit near the सारंगी player. इसलिए वह सारंगी वाले के पास जाकर बैठ गया. So he went and sat near the सारंगी player. रात के 3-4 बजे जब सारंगी वाले ने गाना बजाना बंद कर दिया, तब लोगों ने सारंगी वाले से कहा. So the sarangi player, he played into the night. It was really late. 3-4 बजे meaning 3 or 4 o'clock in the night. जब सारंगी वाले ने गाना बजाना बंद कर दिया. बंद करना meaning to stop. So when he stopped playing the sarangi, तब then लोगों ने सारंगी वाले से कहा. People told the sarangi player, Maharaj. Maharaj here is a very respectful way of addressing a person. The people were really impressed by the sarangi player. Maharaj, आपकी सारंगी बहुत ही मीठी है. Your sarangi is really sweet. हमें बड़ा ही आनंद आया. We are really delighted hearing your music. आनंद meaning joy or delight. 2-4 दिन यहीं ठहरिए. 2-4 meaning 2 or 4. So 2 or 4 days. दिन meaning day. Please stay here. ठहराना meaning to stay. ये बातें सुनकर भोला मन ही मन झुंझलाया. झुंझलाना meaning be annoyed. So hearing the people repeatedly talking about how sweet the sarangi was, Bhola was really confused and irritated. और सोचने लगा. Now he began to think, ये लोग झूठ तो नहीं बोल सकते. After all these people could not be liars because they are saying again and again how sweet the sarangi was. सारंगी मीठी ज़रूर है. The sarangi must be sweet. पर मुझे न जाने स्वाद क्यों नहीं आया. स्वाद meaning taste. But I don't know why I am not getting the sweet taste. तब तक रात ज़्यादा हो गई थी. रात ज़्यादा होना meaning really late. So by the time it was really late. इस कारण लोग घर नहीं गए. घर meaning house. So because it was really late, the people did not go back to their houses. वहीं चौपाल में सो गए. चौपाल meaning a platform. So they slept near the platform where the sarangi player played his sarangi. सारंगी वाले ने भी सारंगी पर खोली चढ़ाई. खोली चढ़ाना meaning to cover. So the sarangi player also covered his sarangi. और उसे अपने सिरहाने रखकर सो गया. सिरहाना meaning headrest. So the sarangi player covered the sarangi and made it his headrest. And he also slept. सो गया. पर भोला को चैन कहाँ था. Chain meaning peace of mind. But Bhola was not having any peace. He was really restless. जब लोग नींद में खर्राटे लेने लगे, तब उसने चुपके से उठकर वह सारंगी उठा ली और ऊपर का खोल उतारकर उसे जीभ से छाटा. So now Bhola was sure that people were not lying. The sarangi should be sweet. And he was determined to test that. What did he do? जब लोग नींद में खर्राटे लेने लगे. खर्राटे meaning when people started snoring. What did he do? तब उसने चुपके से उठकर. चुपके से meaning quietly. Very quietly he got up. वह सारंगी उठा ली. He took the sarangi. और ऊपर का खोल उतार कर. खोल उतारना meaning to remove the cover. He uncovered the sarangi. और उसे जीभ से छाटा. जीभ meaning tongue. जीभ से छाटना meaning to lick. So Bhola licked the sarangi to test whether it was really sweet. कुछ स्वाद नहीं आया. But even now he could not get any sweetness in his mouth. अब उसने सारंगी को खूब हिलाया. So Bhola thought something should be wrong. What did he do? He just gave the sarangi a really nice shake. He shook the sarangi. Hilana meaning to shake. उसके छेद को मुंह के पास लगाकर मुंह में उंडेला. So he kept ched meaning opening or a cavity. There is an opening or a cavity in the sarangi. He brought that closer to his mouth. छेद को मुंह के पास लगाकर मुंह में उंठेला. So he was expecting some sweet thing to come out of the sarangi. So he kept the opening near his mouth and he tried to catch whatever was coming out of the sarangi in his mouth. Unthela meaning to pour out. He tried to catch whatever was coming out of the sarangi in his mouth. He tried to pour that into his mouth. पर सारंगी से एक भी मीठी बूंद नहीं निकली. एक भी मीठी बूंद meaning not even a single drop of sweetness came out of the सारंगी. वह लोगों की बेवकूफ़ी पर बहुत ही झुंझलाया. Now he was convinced that the people were wrong. Even after licking the sarangi, he could not feel any sweetness in his mouth. He was really annoyed at the foolishness of the people. Bevakufi meaning foolishness of the people to say again and again that the sarangi was really sweet. अब की बार उसने सारंगी को गांव से बाहर दूर ले जाकर फेंक दिया. Bhola was really annoyed. He took the sarangi out of the village. Bahar meaning outside. Dur le jakar. He took it far away. And then what did he do? Feng diya. Feng diya meaning he threw away the sarangi. वह लोगों की बेवकूफ़ी पर हंसता हुआ अपनी जगह पर आकर चुपचाप सो गया. So he was really annoyed by the people and them saying again and again how sweet the sarangi was. So he thought the people were really foolish to say that because even after licking the sarangi he could not feel any sweetness. So he really laughed at the foolishness of the people. And then he came back and अपनी जगह पर आकर चुपचाप सो गया. चुपचाप meaning very quietly. He came back to his spot or place. जगह meaning place. And then he slept. सवेरा होने पर जब सारंगी अपनी जगह पर नहीं मिली तो सब लोग और सारंगी वाला बड़े दुखी हुए. सवेरा meaning morning. So when in the morning when everybody wake up they could not find the sarangi in its place. अपनी जगह पर नहीं मिली तो सब लोग और सारंगी वाला. So everybody including the sarangi player बड़े दुखी हुए. They were all very sad. दुखी meaning sad. लोग कहने लगे. The people said बड़ी मीठी सारंगी थी. Oh, it was such a sweet sarangi. पता नहीं कौन ले गया. No idea who took the sarangi away. भोला इस बात को ना सुन सका और गुस्से से बोला. So Bhola could not stand any more talk on the sweetness of the sarangi. ना सुन सका और गुस्से से बोला. गुस्सा meaning anger. And he replied with great anger. क्या खाक मीठी थी. So what are you saying? It was sweet. It is a satirical way of asking what in the world was so sweet. To talk so much about it. मैंने तो उसे अच्छी तरह छाटा था. And then Bhola said, I licked the sarangi really hard. उसमें ज़रा भी मिठास नहीं थी. मिठास meaning sweetness. And there wasn't even a bit of sweetness in the sarangi. तुम सब लोग झूठे हो. You are all liars. और बाबा जी की खुशामद करते हो. खुशामद meaning flattery or to give empty praise without actually meaning it. So Bhola said, you are all liars and you are just flattering the sarangi player. लोगों ने पूछा, पर सारंगी है कहाँ? People asked, but where is the sarangi? उसने कहा, Bhola said, गांव के बाहर पड़ी है. It is there lying outside the village. So now the villagers understood what happened. Bhola, thinking the sarangi to be sweet, he licked it and finding that it wasn't sweet, he just threw it away. The villagers could not believe the foolishness of Bhola. They were really disappointed. लोगों ने भोला की बेवकूफ़ी पर सिर पीट लिया. So what did the villagers do? They were really disappointed and they slapped their head. They slapped their forehead in disappointment.